हाय एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज एक बहुत ही अहम इशू है जिस पे ये वीडियो बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया था और इसलिए मैं बुला रहा हूँ। द इशू इज़ आई हैव जस्ट विटनेस्ड अ वीडियो, आई डिडंट वॉच दैट कम्प्लीटली, that a lady is tearing the Holy Quran. She is trying to disrespect the Holy Quran, and many persons are praising her, and they are liking their video and they are sharing this video. So this matter needs attention and direction. First attention and second direction. So attention it has got a lot. So I would like to give you direction that being the lover of the Holy Quran, being Muslim, and being the real civilized people, you need not to share this video. The purpose of this video is getting more and more views, and this is getting more and more views, and they are promoting it, and the message is spread all over the world, which was their purpose. So first of all, no one is going to share that video anymore. Report it, but don't share it. Second thing, I'd like to respond to that lady particularly and to all the persons who have praised her and who have liked her. This, I must say, this a dirty kind of deed which is praised, and hopefully the civilized and educated societies are not going to propagate it and promote it and support it, because I do respect them, respect these society. They are called educated and civilized societies. They are research driven societies. So if such a thing is happening in research driven society and so called educated societies, and that is being promoted, that is quite painful. Why? Because we are living in the scientific world where there is the logic behind everything, where there is a reason behind everything, and we try to find out that reason, that logic. So I just try to find out what is the reason why she is tearing it. In these societies, it is usually said that they are peaceful and loving societies. So if she is not hatred driven, she has no grudges, and the people who are supporting and liking her, they have no grudges and no anger, then why they are doing this? And what is the logic behind tearing the Holy Quran and disrespecting it, and few people they try to burn it? Why do they do it? Why they are posing that they are ignorant, illiterate people? So definitely they are the vermin of these societies. Why I'm saying this? Because these are research driven societies. They try to do research on each and everything. And I must say here, empty vessels make a lot of noise. So she is making, and these people are making a lot of noise against the Holy Quran because they can't answer it. Okay, in a research driven society, in a modern society who is called civilized, is there any logic? If you dislike anything, you tear that thing? Can you say if you dislike something that is wrong? Disliking something is not a logic for being wrong. If you are thinking something is wrong, you bring out any evidence and try to prove it wrong logically. And I am here. Just try to answer me. Give me any of the ayah of the Holy Quran and try to prove it wrong. You can't do it, because it is my belief and it is the belief of every Muslim, and it is in the Holy Quran. You are not the first one. Many people in the past, they have objected against the Holy Quran, not against only Holy Quran but all other holy scriptures. But when they are asked to bring only one ayah against it, they can't, and you can't as well, and you have no logic to prove it. And this happens when you have no logic to prove something wrong, and you just dislike it, and you have just a hidden hatred inside you. you try to tear that thing. If I dislike this shirt, I will tear this one. This is not the right thing. If I don't like this dress, if you don't like one dress, you are tearing that dress. That's not the right thing. That you can't do. So if you have courage, you come up, you give your logic, you try to prove wrong, but you know you can't prove it wrong. That's why you are doing these kind of things. And what you are going to achieve by doing these kind of things? If I dislike a book, I'm going to tear that book. If I not believe in one book, how many books you tear in your life that you dislike? So please come up if you have courage and tell what is wrong, what you are trying to prove by doing this. The problem is when you can't challenge anything which is above from your mental level, you shout aloud and try to prove it wrong rather than giving your argument. Come up and give your argument. Otherwise, it's just like, and you can't do it, that you are spitting on the sun or moon, and that spit is coming on your mouth. So this is happening with you. That spit is coming on your mouth, and you are doing these kind of things. So please educate yourself and try to stop these kind of activities. These kind of activities are not going to harm us, but the believers, they must know that they should not share these kind of videos. This is basically endorsing and helping their cause. Thank you very much.